Just figured I'd show off what I got at BladeShow. Picked up this Vero Impulse. I love the full size titanium Tonto. Super nice. Got to see Joseph Vero at BladeShow too, which was pretty awesome. This thing's mean. Right here. Got the Tempest Knives prototype Fractus S90V. The milling on this, it's hard to see in the scales. It's crazy. This thing's awesome. Super smooth. I love it. Beautiful knife. Super, super cool. Got the Brian Brown Corvus. Just super dope. Love that Tonto. Obviously, I'm a Tonto guy. This knife is beautiful. Again, titanium, super smooth. M390. Absolutely love it. And where is it? Right there. The Null Knives Voodoo. This is the first one I bought. I've been wanting one of these forever. This thing is wicked. Absolutely love this knife. Insane. Super happy with all my purchases. I think it was overall pretty amazing experience, and I got a few awesome knives. I also got some Rec exclusive Lynch Northwest collab topo scales with the matching clip. I also got a G10 dagger from VZ Grips and a few other things, but yeah, that's it for the most part. I hope everybody had a good time at BladeShow.